Welcome back to the Journal Audit tutorial series. In the last module, we pressed Start Audit, and the engine is now pulling Edusia's articles from OpenAlex. This module reads that synchronization, what gets reconciled behind the scenes, then what the report header looks like once the audit completes, along with its row of controls from Guide to the Word and CSV downloads. We return to the Journal Audit page. The Edusia audit started last module is being worked on by the server. In the Saved Audits panel, Edusia is listed with a spinning status icon, the sign its audit is still running. Click the Edusia entry to open the running process. The progress card shows the stage underway, the OpenAlex article poll, then the automatic metadata checks. The percentage bar and the article count under the message show how far the poll has come. Everything runs on the server, so this page is safe to leave. The results settle onto the same audit. Once every stage completes, the progress card gives way to Edusia's report header, stamped Audit Complete. The header reads, the audit's identity, Edusia's name, its ISSNL, the year range, and its last update time. Behind the scenes, 3 sources were reconciled: OpenAlex articles, cross-ref retraction data, and ROR standardized affiliations. The principle holds, manual corrections you make later are preserved and never overwritten by automatic data. The row of buttons on the right is the report's control center. Let us read them one by one. Guide highlights the recommended next step, helpful while the audit workflow is not yet second nature. Recompute reruns every analysis from the stored dataset without pulling any new data from outside. Synchronize repulls the articles from OpenAlex, standardizes affiliations through ROR, and fetches cross-ref retraction data. The small badge on the button counts this month's sync allowance. It resets at the start of the next month. Word downloads a narrative report ready to attach, and CSV exports the article data for further analysis. The new Audit button takes you back to the journal search without discarding the report you have open. Back at the Saved Audits panel, the Edusia entry now bears a check icon, the mark of a completed audit. From this point on, opening the report never repulls data. Synchronization happens only when you ask for it. Edusia's first report now stands. The next module reads the Overview panel and the Results Navigation map. Edusia's first report now stands on a fully pulled reconciled dataset. In the next module, we open the Overview panel. 6 metric cards, the journal profile, and the sidebar that navigates all 15 result sections. See you in Module 03.